Not every SolidWorks question requires opening the full CAD model. Sometimes you only need a quick answer. What does this part look like? Which configuration is it? What material is assigned? Or what custom properties are stored in the file? In this video, I will show how Solidise helps you inspect SolidWorks parts and assemblies directly from the browser workspace. On the right side of the workspace, we can see the Part Properties panel, with the preview image displayed at the top. This gives us a quick visual reference for the selected file before opening it in SolidWorks. Below the preview, Solidise shows the indexed file information and available custom properties, such as description, material, revision, configuration, and other metadata stored in the CAD file. From the Part Properties panel, I can also open the file location directly in Windows File Explorer. That is how Solidise helps you review SolidWorks files without opening the full CAD model. From the browser workspace, you can quickly view the part preview, check indexed properties, confirm configuration and metadata, and open the file location when needed.